I crocheted all the borders in except for the bottom part, and also I crocheted a little detail in here in this little flap I made. So this is going to be the cover for only one of the signatures inside my journal. You can do some decorations on the card. Let's just do 3 little holes in here. Let's do it around 1 centimeter deep and 1 centimeter in between. And I'm gonna pop it from this side. And we can do the same but in a smaller scale. Now I'm gonna do 2 chains and then here, and I'm gonna do 2 more chains, and I'm gonna go on the other or in the other hole like so. And it's just like crocheting something else. You have the base, and now you can come back and start literally crocheting something. We can do it in the chains from the previous row. The result is really nice. I really like it, and you can keep going like the length that you want and the length that you like, and also you can always come back and do a little bit more. And this is gonna stay here forever. Nothing is gonna happen. It's a perfect way to do a little flap there. It's crocheted. I like it. It's really cool. And we can also do, let's try something else. Like I'm gonna do 2, 3, and then I'm gonna do 2 chains, and then I come back to the next stitch in the previous row, and then 3, 3, and 2 chains in the middle. So we're gonna have a little hole there. This is all because I don't have any more purple, so I'm just gonna finish in here. Let's hide our thread all the way down here, and this is done. So there, and I can also go and hide this thread, little piece from the beginning, and let's hide it all the way here. All the way here too. And let me know, what do you think about this? I really like the result. And in my next episode, I'm gonna be working a little bit more with this great idea. I hope you like it. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do it here, clicking my picture, or here in this little red arrow. I see you soon, my friends. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye, friends. Bye-bye. Hi friends, this is Maria here, and today I'm going to complete this signature that is going to go inside my new journal.